Hello, you're on the radio.
Yeah, hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah. What's
Yes.
up?
I had a gun conviction about 6 years ago. I
Mhm.
did 5 years probation, did my green card interview last year, and up until now I haven't got a response from them.
Well, a gun conviction should not bar you from getting your green card. They may deny you on good moral character grounds, but I think that would, it's a stretch to bar you on that because possessing a gun is not a crime of moral turpitude. What I would suggest you do is come in to see me. We can follow up with your case. I could also file a mandamus action and force them to make a decision. But a gun possession is not a bar to getting a green card.
Yeah, because I went to do an info pass the other day, and they told me that the supervisor had the file.
Right. Well, you see, I mean, what you do in these situations is you want to force immigration to make a decision. They can't sit on your rights forever. And the way you force them to make a decision is you file a mandamus action against them. A mandamus action is a federal lawsuit which says that you're suing the government to do their job, which is you have to adjudicate my application within a reasonable amount of time. It's unreasonable for me to go for an interview for my green card and have me wait 1 year while the case sits there collecting dust on a supervisor's desk. So you file the mandamus action, you go to a federal judge, and a federal judge orders immigration to make a decision within 30 days or whatever it may be. So you may end up having to do that.
All right, thanks.
All right. 1-800-522-0804. Let's go to this line right here. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hi, Brad.
How are you? Good.
One question. I have a friend whose sister filed for him 2001. Last year, he got a letter stating that he should make the payments and stuff like that. He paid in all $484. But up to yet, they haven't called him back. And every time he puts the number in to see where the case is, it is said he doesn't have a case. So what should he do?
Well, I mean, there is a case there if he paid the filing fees. You have to contact the National Visa Center. The case is no longer with USCIS, so you're looking on the USCIS website where the case is no longer there. So you should be contacting the National Visa Center. So that's why it says, it probably says the case has been transferred to the National Visa Center. So that's what you're probably reading. Now, as far as why he paid the money and there's still no visa appointment is because for brothers and sisters, the visas retrogressed. They went backwards. So they were accepting people's payments, and then basically they closed the door because they gave too many green cards out. So we got to wait for those priority dates to go back into April of 2001, which is probably 6 to 12 months away somewhere. So my guess is that in the next 6 to 12 months, you'll be hearing about getting an appointment for the brother or sister back home.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Because I checked for him, and they're at May 2000.
Right. So you have to wait until it goes back to whatever the priority date is. So just because they accepted the money doesn't mean they have a green card available, unfortunately.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. 1-800-522-0804. I think we have time for one more call. Let's go to this one right here. Last call of the day. Hello, you're on the radio.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, Bart. How are you?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, but I have one question. I'm a U.S. Citizen.
Right.
And I would like to file for my mom and dad who lives in Trinidad.
Okay.
I would like to find out what is the form I have to file,
You're gonna
if I have to file separately.
Yes, you're going to file two separate forms, one for your mother, one for your father. It's two separate cases. You're going to file an I-130 visa petition.
Okay.
All right?
No, one question. They never got married. They live together still.
That's fine as long as your father's your father and your mother's your mother. Now, because your father never married your mother, it's filing for your father, you're going to have to prove not only is he your biological father, but that you've had a relationship with him over the years. So you're going to have, there's an additional hurdle you have to do for your father because they were not married.
That's the next form, or
No, it's going to be part of that form. You're going to have to show documents, maybe pictures of you together with him when you were a young kid, proof that he's on your school records or on your baptism records if you got baptized, or proof that he sent money to you or helped support you, or affidavits from people, friends and family saying that you know, he was a good dad over the years, whatever you can show to show that you have had a relationship with him.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Thank you. All right, so that's going to end our show, unfortunately.